If you are broke right now, no degree, no connection, no crazy skills, and you need to make $500, not someday, not even eventually, but very soon, I'm going to show you one skill that can realistically do that. No, it's not dropshipping, it's not even crypto, and not selling random products online. This is something simple, practical, and already in massive demand. Most people think they need a degree to make real money. They sit there staring at job application, wondering if they're qualified. Maybe you even feel like you are already behind. But here's the truth. The internet does not care about your degree. It cares about results. And right now there is one thing exploding in demand: the short videos. Every single day, millions of short videos are posted on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Businesses need them, influencers need them, and they don't have time for that. Coaches need them, but here is the part nobody talks about. Most of them don't want to edit their own videos, as I said, because they hate it. It takes time, and that's where you come in. The skill is short form video editing. And before you say, I don't know how to edit, just relax. You don't need to be a professional filmmaker. You don't need expensive software. You don't need years of experience. You need to learn how to cut clips, add captions, which is nowadays done by AI, improve pacing, maybe add simple sound effect, and that's it. Imagine sitting at a simple desk with just a laptop. You open a free editing software like CapCut. You drag a video clip onto the timeline. You cut out the boring parts. You tighten the pauses. You zoom in slightly when something important is said. You add bold captions so the video feels dynamic. You adjust the audio so it sounds clean, and you export it. That's right there. That's a service. Now here is how you become $500 worth of editor. Let's say you charge $50 per short video. That's not crazy. That's beginner's pricing. Many editors charge more than that, but let's stay conservative. 10 videos at $50 each is equal to $500. That's it. And that's you can make from a single client as well. And businesses easily need 10 to 20, sometimes 30 videos per month, especially personal brands trying to grow. So how do you get these first clients? Simple. You don't wait for them to find you, you go for them. You find small creators posting content that looks decent, but has basic editing. You send them a short message saying, hey, I love your content. I made a quick edited sample of your clip to show how it could perform better. If you are interested, I would love to help. That's it. No complicated pitch. You might send 20 messages, maybe 30. Most won't reply, that's normal, but one will. And when your phone lights up with that I'm interested message, everything changes. You get on a quick call or exchange messages. You agree on a simple package. Maybe they want 5 videos to test you out. You sit down, focus, you edit carefully. You trim the video, you make the captions engaging, you make it a scroll stopping. Nowadays you can use AI to do most of the work itself. They like it, they pay you, your first $100 hits, and suddenly that does not feel theoretical anymore, it feels real. Now you get better at it. You watch free tutorials, you practice transitions, you learn pacing, you study viral videos and ask yourself, why did this hold my attention? You repeat it, you improve, you become faster and more confident. You create a simple checklist for yourself. First, you have to cut fast, remove dead air, add captions, zoom for emphasis, clean audio, and export the video. That's it. You stick to it, you stay consistent, and you treat it like a real skill. Soon you're not charging $50 anymore. You're charging $75 to $100 maybe per video. But even if you never increase your price, remember the math. 10 videos is equal to $500. That's not luck, that's the numbers. You don't need a degree for this. No one asks to see your diploma when you send a video file. They care about one thing. Does it look good? Does it perform? And once you land one client, it gets easier. You get testimonials, you build confidence, you organize your clients, you schedule your work, you upgrade from editing on your phone to editing comfortably on a laptop. You get smoother, faster, more strategic. And here's the best part. This skill compounds. One client become two become three. Suddenly you're not aiming for $500 anymore. You're deciding how much work you want to take on. But I want you to stay focused on the first milestone. $500, that's proof, that's momentum, that's validation, that's what you have created from the income, and that's the skill. Not luck, not gambling, not hoping something goes viral. If you are sitting there thinking, can I actually do this? The answer is yes. If you are willing to practice and send the messages, most people fail not because the skill does not work, but because they never reach out. So here's your action plan. Spend the next 7 days learning basic short form editing. Practice by editing random clips. Create 3 solid samples. Message 20 creators per day for 5 days. That's 100 outreach messages. If just one of the 20 replies positively, you will have 5 conversations. If 2 convert, you are already halfway to the $500. No degree, no fancy equipment, just a laptop, free software, and effort. The opportunity is already there. Businesses are already posting, creators are already filming. They just need someone to turn raw clips into attention-grabbing content. That someone can be you. If you take this seriously, the $500 is not the dream. It's a starting line. Now the only question is, are you going to watch this and move on? Or are you going to open your laptop and start learning and start doing the action? Because that market is not waiting, and neither should you. So if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe our official channel Beyond the Castle for daily videos like this.